Ditch the bulky scanner and say hello to your pocket-sized document solution, your iPhone. Let's dive in and learn how to digitize those important papers right from your phone, saving you time, space, and a whole lot of headaches. We'll be using two quick and easy methods, either the Notes app or Files app. First, using the Notes app, open the Notes app on your iPhone. It's the app with the little notepad icon. Tap on the new note icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Inside the new note, tap the camera icon and from the pop-up options, select Scan Documents. Now, point your iPhone's camera at the document you want to scan. Make sure the document is well lit. Your iPhone will automatically detect the document's edges highlighted. The screen displays a preview and you can capture the image by tapping the shutter button. However, you can manually adjust the corners of the scan before saving it. If the scan is blurry, you can retake it. After scanning and editing, tap Save. You can now add more pages by tapping in the bottom left corner, or save the document by tapping the Save button in the bottom right corner. You can then tap on the Save document and use the Share button to send to others or save to files. Alternatively, you can use the Files app. Open the Files app on your iPhone. It looks like a blue folder. Tap the three dots in the top right. Tap on Scan Documents. This will take you directly to the camera view. Similar to the Notes app, position your phone over the document. Autofocus will kick in to scan the document. Correct any scan adjustments if needed. Tap Save. There you have it, a perfect PDF. Now you can easily share or save your scanned document. With these simple tricks, you can digitize your important papers.